The times which we spent with our school friends would be the most awesome time while you are on a trip, as we would know each and everyone's madness since we grew up together. We all might have enjoyed our picnics during our school time, but later in life we could miss those days because now we do not get much time to meet our school friends, or many might have shifted out for work. So we often plan for outing, but it doesn't fall in place. We got an opportunity this time as one of my school friend was getting married and the location was his native, which is Karnataka. So suddenly the traveler inside all of us woke up. We started making plans that we will reach 2 or 3 days prior to the marriage so that we can explore the place. And we got our tickets booked for 3 days. So we had 2 spare days and 1 day for marriage. As usual, I suggested to ride through bike till Udupi, for which I got stares as none other in the group were riders. So we took the train as it would be fun chatting with school friends and pulling one another's leg while traveling. On reaching, went to the hotel room, freshened up, had lunch and went to look for a bike on rental. As it was a weekend, it was difficult to get bike as many had been pre-booked. Even after trying, did not get any bike, so we had to settle down for scooty. As we were 7 guys, we took 4 TVS Vigo, all same color, for the next 2 days. St. Mary's Island. The day started with a good breakfast as we started to ride towards the boating point from where we get boats for St. Mary's Island. As we were staying in Udupi, many beaches and St. Mary Island was not more than 15 to 20 kilometers. We parked our scooties and got the tickets for St. Mary's Island. It cost somewhere around 250 rupees per person. It includes return as well. The sail was smooth one with crystal blue water around, which we often miss in Mumbai. It takes around 15 minutes to reach the island. Upon reaching there, one among us saw zorbing activity and insisted, so we gave it a try. It was super fun, though it was difficult at the beginning, then it was easy. St. Mary's Island is also known as Coconut Island. At the entrance, you'll find a welcome board along with a board mentioning no food, no plastics, and no bottles. When we walk past for a few meters, you can witness the beach with crystal blue water with columnar rhyolite lava which look like crystal formed out of rocks. It is said that in 1498, Vasco da Gama, from his journey from Portugal, came here before going towards Kerala. He fixed a cross here. Following this, the island got its name. There is a hotel, so you get food and refreshments. This place also has a washroom facility. After being an hour, we came to the entrance and waited for the boat to arrive. From here, we left for Malpe Beach.